Hey, slow down. So you just gonna go to the furthest tree on the property, huh? Go and give us some gas right there, huh?
Yep.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I meant to actually get out yesterday while it was snowing, but it was coming down so hard you could barely see 20 feet in front of you. So on the GoPro, I didn't even figure what even would show up would be worthwhile. I would say we got anywhere from a total of 8 to 12 inches in central Arkansas area. So we're gonna pull out the Renegade and see what we can get into. Let's go. All right, guys, got the wife coming with me today. Got Chump Change and Mud Princess ready, already warmed up, so they're ready to go. Wife's actually never ridden in snow, so she's like, I want to go today. Awesome, let's make it happen. Let's make it shake. whichever one. Go whatever one you want to go out to.
Alright, I think I got it.
Alright, go slow though. Now he's making another lap. These are all his lines. This is why right here I need the Sony ZV-1, boys. I'll be zooming out there, getting better footage for you guys. Oh, so he decided to go to the third tree on the property, fourth tree. Actually, there's 5, but the furthest tree on the property. Oh, okay. Oh, he's gonna give us some gas too. Oh, okay. Hold on, hey, slow down. So you just gonna go to the furthest tree on the property, huh? You gonna go to the furthest tree on the property, huh?
Yeah.
And you gonna give us some gas right there, huh?
Yeah.
Hold on, I want you guys to see my reaction. Slow down! So he's just gonna give us some gas now. So at this point, guys, there's no more riding after this. You know why? Because now he's getting a little bit cocky, get a little more comfortable. He's giving it a little bit more gas. So you know what's gonna happen next. Hey, happen on my watch, boys. Gotta keep the sun protected. So this is it. Last, slow down. Yeah. That's good. But anyway, guys, that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.